What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be making the single turbo 335i update video. I've been really excited to make this video because we've changed a ton of stuff to this car. So this video is going to just kind of be going over everything that we changed to the car, everything that we did to get it ready for the spring and summertime. So yeah, I'll kind of just go make an overview of all the new parts. And then after that, I'm gonna flash my next revision from the tuner and get some GoPro footage of taking some data logs. So I'll bring you guys along for that. Hopefully it makes for a pretty good video. And yeah, I'll update you guys in the next clip. Alrighty, so as you guys already know, we did the black market parts, aluminum intake manifold with the port injection, the 750cc injectors. Nothing has changed with the intake system yet, so I'm still running the Vrsf 7-inch intercooler. I'm planning on upgrading that to the ARM 1K intercooler here eventually soon. I'm gonna try and sell that one first. We got a new valve cover on here. This is actually an eBay valve cover. I'll link that one below. This one is from a really reputable seller, so it is a high quality valve cover. I removed all the warning stickers, so it looks like a lot cleaner. So we got that on. I was originally going to do an M18 valve cover, but just because of the cost and everything, I really didn't see that it would be that worth it. So I just went with a stock valve cover and kept my oil cap breather. And then, as you guys also know about the vent to atmosphere PCV setup back there. So that's all installed to the new valve cover and all set up. I went ahead and took the oil filter housing off and the thermostat housing, replaced both of those gaskets again just for peace of mind. I'm pretty positive that either the O-rings in here were leaking or it was actually leaking from the oil filter housing. Well, something was leaking around here, so I replaced the O-rings here, and again, like I said, did both of those gaskets just so I had no oil leaks on the car anymore. So everything should be perfectly mint. Nothing should be leaking oil anymore. Everything should be pretty much perfect. We took the turbo off. Obviously we had to do the valve cover. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but I replaced, yeah, you guys probably won't actually be able to see that, but I replaced the oil drain. Mine was actually cracked from being too close to the manifold, so that was leaking oil a little bit. I reheat wrapped this oil feed line, and I actually put some heat sheath around the oil feed line to prevent that from happening again. And then I rewrapped this downpipe. I'll see if I can find a picture, but it looked like shit up here before. So I figured since everything was going to be off the car, the turbo was going to be off, I pulled that back out, rewrapped it, and made it look mint. I still don't really have a good mounting solution for the Max solenoid, but I guess that looks fine. So I have that in the same spot with the GFB. This is a new one with the Go Fast Bits boost controller. So I no longer use any of these vacuum or the boost solenoid connectors in there. So this runs all the way up behind the cowl and then into the car. Same with this vacuum line. If you guys saw that video, this taps off of the intake manifold and also runs through the firewall into the car. All of that goes to the boost controller. Still don't have a solution for this freaking power steering reservoir, so it's literally just dangling in the engine bay right now. Gotta find a solution for that. I have the Precision Raceworks bracket that goes here, but it makes contact to this, so I think we're gonna bend that out of the way and try and mount it somewhere around there. But yeah, I'll kind of update you guys with what I end up doing for that. But other than that, I'm in the tuning process right now, getting it fully dialed in. The goal is to make somewhere around 750 wheel with this car. I think it's more than capable of doing that. The engine, the motor feels really healthy. So we'll see how far we can push it. I'm really kind of just going all out now. I do care, but if something happens to the motor, it happens. I just want to see how much power this car can really make. Since it's manual swapped and I have a you know, twin disc in it, rated for, you know, over 800 wheel horsepower. So we're kind of just gonna go full send on it now. So then the other change that's been made to the car is the Vrsf race exhaust that hangs super fucking low to the ground. As you guys can see, it's literally like 3-4 inches off the ground, which is not good. So I'm gonna see if I can get a hanger fabbed up for that. But I have the Vrsf race exhaust with a 3.5-inch vibrant resonator that Zach's dad welded into the center of that. I'll put some clips of him welding that in. But then we have the you know, the tips on. It looks really good. This is kind of the under view. So yeah, I got everything to clear. In my opinion, it looks really good. Other than the fact that it hangs super low to the ground, but I'll get some exhaust clips when we go to turn the car on and everything. Because it sounds amazing. This is probably the best sounding exhaust, or best sounding N54 that I've personally heard. Shout out to Budget Beamers for making the video that they did on this exhaust and how it sounds, because I had to do it. It really does sound amazing. Like I said, I'll put in some exhaust clips so you guys can hear it. Alright, so it's a little dark now, but this is the finished interior of the car. So we have the new Corbeau seat, which looks really, really nice, and it feels really good. I have my seatbelt strapped through the chair here, and now it's, I'm gonna have a stock seatbelt, so it's not really gonna matter. But you do want it to go through, so we have the normal connector here, and then you do want it to go through the seat. So you're actually strapped like into the seat. So I got the new steering wheel. This is from a 335 IS with the M Sport package. This wheel is like in perfect condition. So it looks really, really good. And I put this button in here to match the start button. So then we have the AEM gauge, which that is for the lean cut feature for the Go Fast Bits, the GFB3 boost controller. So this is the actual boost control that I'm running now, as you guys would have seen in the previous videos. So then we have the Rtd Shifter, which this thing is like probably my favorite mod, for sure for the interior, but that's one of the best mods I've done to the car. And then I also wrapped this trim here. It didn't come out as good as I would have wanted it to, but it does look pretty good from, you know, a good couple feet away. So that's really all that matters. And then I also picked up the Vader clip. I'm gonna have a tablet strictly for MHD logging and stuff. That's gonna be for connecting and, you know, like I said, making logs and tuning the car and everything. So I have a designated tablet for that. But other than that, as far as the interior goes, that is pretty much it. I think it looks way better than it did before. I still have a stock seat for the passenger seat right now. But if you come out, you know, from right here, like this angle, I think that looks really, really good. So then the other thing that I did is I wired in the stage 3 low pressure fuel pump. This is the Black Market Parts stage 3 bucketless fuel pump. So then I have the Hob switch wired into the charge pipe there, and then this cable runs through the firewall all the way back to the fuel pump and then to the battery. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much everything that we did to the car. That's the full update. That's like I said, everything that we did to it. It's looking really good now. We're hopefully gonna get it fully dialed in here soon, make some more videos for you guys. After this, I'm gonna have some clips of me data logging for the tuner. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're gonna be making a ton of content on this car, you know, starting now that it's back up and running. So yeah, once we get the car, you know, fully tuned and fully dialed in, we're gonna be getting a ton of races in and everything. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, and definitely subscribe so you guys get all of our future videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you.